In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Videopress in WordPress. If you're looking to enhance your WordPress blog or website by embedding stunning videos, you're in the right place. Videopress is a fantastic feature that allows you to upload and display videos beautifully on your site. Whether you're running a personal blog or a professional website, having video content can significantly engage your audience and enrich their experience. Before we dive into the actual process, make sure you have a WordPress account ready, and that you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. You also need to confirm that your current WordPress plan supports Videopress, as it generally requires a business plan or higher to have access to this feature. Now that we're all set, let's start by navigating to the WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, locate and click on Media to open your media library. This section is where all the magic happens relating to your images and videos. Here, you can upload new content and access anything you've previously uploaded. With the media library open, look towards the top and find the Add New button. Clicking here will allow us to upload new media files from our computer. A new window should appear, enabling you to drag and drop files directly or select them manually from your device's file explorer. Go ahead and choose a video file that you'd like to add to your site. As your file uploads, take into account the size and quality of your video. Videopress automatically optimizes your video content to ensure it loads quickly and plays smoothly across different devices and connections. However, starting with a high-quality original file is always beneficial. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your video appear in the media library. To get it ready for showing on your site, you'll need to gather its unique shortcode. Simply click on the video thumbnail to open up additional details and options about your video. Look for the Share or Copy Shortcode button, copy this code, and keep it handy. You'll use it to embed the video on your site. Now we're ready to jump into the posting page. Select Posts or Pages from the menu, depending on where you want your video to appear. Either start a new post or edit an existing one. Once you're in the content editor, place the cursor where you want the video to be embedded. You can now paste the Videopress shortcode that you copied earlier directly into the editor. This will embed the video beautifully. After you've inserted your video, feel free to continue editing your post or page as needed. Once satisfied, make sure to preview it to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. If all is well, hit Publish or Update to make your changes live. And there you have it. Adding Videopress to your WordPress site is a straightforward way to boost your content appeal and keep visitors engaged with rich media. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging!